Hello friends, welcome to day 9 of CSS3 in 10 days. So in the first project which we are going to do today is a 3D layer project in which we are going to have cool 3D layer. So I have done the basic setup. I have a 9.1 3D layer folder. Inside that I have an image folder which have all the images which are in SVGs, and then after that I have the index.html. As usual, sandbox.css is empty and index.html I have filled it, and I have also started the live server, so it is showing like this right now, which we are soon going to style. So what is there in our HTML? Div sandbox section is there, 3D layer effect h4 is there, and this is the main thing in which the class is layers. And then we have our 4 images. First is back, mid, top and tippy top. So we have all this, and all these have classes also. So let's go to a sandbox.css and start our stack. So first we will target the section with this 50% and margin is 0 auto. I think okay, let me see if it is fixed, or I will increase the browser size. Right now I'm using 50% of my screen. Now next we are going to target this sandbox itself. Sandbox dot sandbox margin top is 65 pixel. We need this space. You are soon going to see why. Then layers, we are going to target the layers which is wrapping everything, all the images. Dot layers, position is relative, min height is 638 pixel, max width is 360 pixel. I save it, and then dot layers img, position is absolute, max width is 100%, height is 100%, transition is all is 1600 millisecond, transform style is preserve 3D because it is 3D. And see, now this all the things are been shown right now. So let us go ahead and we are going to target each one of them. So we are going to target the mid image first. So let's target the mid image dot layers image dot mid, width is 320 pixel, left is 20 pixel, like that. Dot layers img dot top, width is 300 pixel, left is 30 pixel and top is -5 pixel, and then dot layers img dot tp with this 280 pixel, top is -150 pixel and left is 40 pixel, and we are done for the tip, mid and tippy. So we did for this tip, mid and tippy. So let's go ahead, and now we will put the hover effect. Once we hover over it, then the style will be shown. So for that, let's just layers hover. We are targeting the layers first. img transform prs perspective. Oh, I've written the spelling wrong. It is transform. Transform perspective is 1200 px. Rotate x is 50 degree. Rotate y is 20 degree. Rotate z is -25 degree. And then this should be in the same line. It's okay, not an issue. Let me decrease the size of it. No, it is okay. Actually, after this, it is not over. This is translate x is 35 px. Translate y is 0 px. And translate z or z is 180 px, and then I am closing it. And let me come here and see. This is what it is doing. Now similarly we'll do for the mid, top and tippy. So let me do one thing. Let me copy this. 1 2 3. So hover of image dot mid, and perspective is 1200 px. Rotate is 50 degree. Rotate x is 50 degree. Rotate y is 20 degree. This is -25. This is 35 0, and z is 240 px. Similarly, top is perspective this -50 degrees, 20 degrees, -25 degrees, 35 degrees, 0 degree, and 280 degree. And this one will be dot top. Let me do it, or I will forget. Dot tp. Perspective is right. Rotate is 60 degree, 20 degree, minus 25 degree. This is translate axis, minus 20 degree, 20 px, 20 px to 60 px. We save it, and now you will see the magic. And if everything is right, see how everything is moving at the top, every layer. So only this background layer we are not doing anything, every layer is moving. So this is how cool 3D effect can be done. So let us go ahead and do our next project, and I will dispose it off as usual, and then I will close it. Then I have done the basic setup for this only. This one is going to be a drop down menu, so nothing much here. Let me open this also, sandbox.css. I will explain the sandbox.css. I have a sandbox class, then a content class, then a section, then a h4 div of dropdown, which have a button, and then dropdown. Let me go live so that we can see the basic thing. So this is the drop down menu, button is there, then this menu is there after that. So let us go ahead and style it. So dot drop down, we are first targeting the dot drop down, this class which wraps everything, and then position is relative because the next thing we are going to use it. So then z index or z index is 10, display inline block, and then this drop down hover, this we are going to target. Dot drop down hover, display inline block, padding is 10 px. So the button we are targeting, background color is hash 323B40, color is hash FFF, border is 0, solid hash 323B40, cursor is pointer, and the button is done. Now let's also give some hover here. Hover, background color 222, yeah, this one. Yeah, it is getting changed. Then after that I'll target this drop down menu. Position is absolute, display is none, top is 100%, left is 0, min width is 200 pixel, background color is this one only, color is hash 323B40, box shadow is 03px2px RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.3, and so after that drop down hover. So this drop down is this whole thing which is wrapping the button, and this when you hover over it, then drop down menu will become display block. As you can see, it is right now hidden. Display block. When I go here, then the drop down will be done. So then after that drop down menu anchor tag. So the drop down menu have anchor tags. So those anchor tags display block padding is 10px, text decoration is none, border width is 0, border top is 1px, solid hash e0 e0 e0. So now we will have this nice box. Now after that drop down menu a hover, background color is hash f0 f0 f0, color is hash 323p40. Now I have this hover on this also, and this completes our day 9 and our cool drop down. So hope you liked day 9 and see you soon in the last day, which is